Here we have another Asus board. It came in for no power as well. And I have a couple of boards that we need to go over. I'll see how many I can combine in one video. But we're gonna start by measuring the power MOSFETs. And we can find the power MOSFETs right on the back here, back of the board. And we have a short. Like always, we have a short. Look, see? Let's go ahead and inject voltage, and we're gonna monitor the board under a thermal camera and see what gets hot. Thermal camera on. Okay, so I'm injecting voltage right now, and what is getting hot on the board? We have 2.6 amps draw, but I'm not seeing anything hot on the board. Oh, we have something obvious right over here. And we have a hot GPU. We have a hot GPU. Let's try this one more time. Right there. Right now, that's all the information that we have from the thermal cam, that we have a hot GPU. What I'm going to do is measure the MOSFETs under the CPU, V-core MOSFETs, and also the GPU MOSFETs, and see if there's anything wrong there. .4 voltage drop, 0.4. We have a short here. We have a short on this cap, and our GPU is right over here, right there. Let me check resistance. 0 ohms and 0 ohms. So we have that short. Maybe you have a problem with this cap. Is that possible? And let's check in diode mode. Do we still have a short? And look at that, the short is gone. Whoa. We figured it out. The short is gone. Wow. I mean, that's our GPU, and the closest capacitor to our GPU was this one here. I checked it, it was measuring a short, removed it, and the short is gone. Wow. Are we feeling lucky today? So what happens if we measure our power MOSFETs back of the board? Are we gonna get a short like before? Meter in diode mode, and we have a short here. Now look at that, the short is gone. 0.4 voltage drop. Amazing. Let's remove it. And let's solder a replacement cap. Awesome. We're done. I'll be back. You can already see the light on the bottom. And it's prompting us for the BIOS password. That's it. We're going to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And we'll do something else in the next video.